guys, it's Erin. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be updating you all on my moisture routine. I still really like the Biosilic oil. I didn't stop liking it, but I got another oil and started liking it more. Okay, wow. Ponytail's hella crooked. Just seeing in the camera. The Ankh Monarch hair oil. It is by my loctician. This is not sponsored. She's not paying me to talk about this oil or anything. I just really love it, and so I wanted to share with you all what I'm doing now. I still use my rose water in my bottle. I'll spray it all over my locks, coat it with the monarch oil to seal in that moisture, and then go from there. So I'll show you guys what I do. It's super simple. Let me show you guys the monarch hair oil. She used it on me a few months ago when I did my detox and wash, and she uses it during my retwist. So I'll go through my locks like before. Squeeze it in. I feel like I don't have to drench my locks as hard when I use this oil also, because I feel like my hair stays moisturized for longer. I can actually kind of like skip days with this, but going into fall and winter I really don't want to do that because my hair tends to get dry around that time. So I'm going to be moisturizing my hair every day, even if it's just lightly, which it usually is. So I'll just go in with the rose water from root to tip. Squeeze that in. And then I will go in with my Ankh Monarch oil. 5 squirts. That's enough to do like a large section, get it all over so that every area that I touch gets that oil on it. And I go down. Go in. With that other oil, I literally had to be like, let me do like this section, this one. This one I can grab like large sections and I still benefit from the oil. My hair will still be super shiny, soft. So I just get to be a little bit more lazier and get it over with and done with quicker than with the other oil, but still have like the same benefits and better. And it smells just so good. That was the main thing that made me fall in love with it before I actually knew how well my hair worked with it. The fact that it just smells so good. Bam! And then squeeze it, rub it on my back. Yeah, so I'll do that. And then I also use the Dr. Miracle's Hot Grow Hair and Scalp Treatment. I really love this. I saw it in another YouTuber's video. He's really popular. He's a loctician, and he was talking about how a lot of his clients have either alopecia or psoriasis or other scalp issues going on, and he would use this on their scalp. And at the time, I had experienced alopecia areata in my hair. It was about 2 months into my lock journey. I was super scared and I was doing research. And when I came across this in his video and he spoke about it, I started using it in my hair. It was about a dime-sized bald spot, like right here. I was able to hide it at the time, but it was super scary. It was stress-induced alopecia areata. I don't know. If I'm stressing, it could be over simple stuff, but my body responds in very extreme ways. And so that freaked me out at the beginning of my lock journey, because I just started. I was super excited. I was a couple months in, and I was going through my hair and just moisturizing it, and I came across that bald spot that was literally around here. I was like, is this gonna grow back? I was freaking out. But I spoke to, I wanted to make sure I'm saying it right, a trichologist, and she assured me that it would grow back and that I'd be fine. So I applied this to my scalp, and I'm making a weekly practice of mine at that time, and just was patient, and my hair grew back, and I've never had any issues again in that area. But since then, like, it's crazy because I had stopped using it. You know, you just switch, try something new. But I started using it again a few months ago because my scalp was really dry, and it's usually super dry at the top of my head, and I'll start itching, and as soon as I do this, I'll grease like throughout my scalp. I won't have any issues. My scalp will be super calm. I will show you guys what I do to put it in my hair. I'm pretty generous with it. I've never had any issues washing this out of my hair at all. Like I said, I've been using it since on and off since about 2 or 3 months into my lock journey, and by now I definitely see a difference. But like I said, a loctician recommended this in one of his videos, and he was using it on his clients, so that made me feel really comfortable with using it. I'll just show you guys what I do and how I go in it. I'm not going to go through my whole head because it's not necessary, but just so you guys see, like, I'll go do this. I'll try and do like weekly or just like as needed when I notice my scalp is really dry, and especially going into the winter and fall months right now, I'll probably be doing this more often. But I'll just go through with a lot, and my scalp soaks it right up. Like, you literally can feel the difference like immediately. As you can see, I'll usually do that like in the bathroom and pull out my medicine cabinet so I can see behind my head really well, and just go through and feel through and put it all through, and my hair feels super soft. You can feel those areas that are like super dry and how it just soaks up the product really well. It's not just sitting on your hair, which I love. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And it comes in a box like this. Sorry, the box is like low-key effed up and kind of has oil all over it because it's in my hair drawer, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Super good, not sponsored either. Just showing you guys what I use and what I really like to put in my hair. So for their Monarch hair oil, Adachi is located in Los Angeles, California, where I live, so I'm able to just purchase it in person at her store. But she does offer online transactions, so you guys can look up her website, and I'll leave that information in the description box below. And if you all want to order, you can do that online too and try it. But it smells great, makes my hair feel great. I don't see myself using anything different anytime soon. I feel like I found my main go-to product, and I'm super excited about it. Also, I am 2 years locked now. So excited about that. I have been really excited about getting to 2 years and really experiencing my hair dropping more, because I noticed just when I was doing my research in the beginning of my lock journey, a lot of people, when they hit that 2-year lock mark, from that 2 to 3, and of course going forward, their locks really started to drop, and I'm really starting to feel more weight on my locks now. So I'm really excited to gain a lot of length. So hopefully this new year, this upcoming year, I gain a lot of length. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I love you guys.